Hey guys, welcome back. Today we have a super easy cup. If you need a fast cup, or if you need a cup fast, this is the kind of cup you should do. We're gonna do a wood grain. So I started out, like always, with a prepped and painted cup. This is painted just like a flat white, and I am using alcohol ink. This one is teak wood, and you can just get those from Michael's. That's where I got mine. So what you're going to want to do is just, put the ink down in lines. I mean, that's how I do it. And then I just brush up and down. I try to keep it pretty straight, but, it goes off sometimes. But trees aren't exactly straight, so I think it's okay. So we're going to do that all the way around the cup. And I totally forgot, we didn't even need to do the whole cup like this because I'm putting vinyl on the bottom half. But whatever. So here's my vinyl. It's a camo, and I'm just gonna, right here I'm checking to see which way is gonna look better if my vinyl overlaps. And then I'm gonna pull the backing back a little bit and cut a little sliver off. That way I have a little bit of vinyl that can adhere to the cup to keep it in place. Sorry if you hear my dog chewing on his bone in the background. So here we go. I finally got the backing lifted up. So I'm going to cut a little piece of that out. And then I'm going to get it in place on the cup. And I normally just line it up with the bottom. I don't want it all the way down at the bottom because the vinyl will like pucker up around the bottom. So I go up just a little bit. And once I have it exactly where I want it, I push down the vinyl that is exposed. Just like that. And then I always let go and bring the vinyl back around just to make sure once I start pushing this on with my fingers that it's going to be straight and where I wanted it to go. So I'm just going to lift that backing out like that, and then I'm just going to start smoothing this on with my fingers, and it's pushing the backing off as we go. Once you've made it all the way around, just cut the extra vinyl away. And then you're going to trim your seam. We don't need that much overlap, so I'm just going to go right after the seam and try to go as straight as I can and get rid of that extra. Now I'm going to add some pinstripes, and I have a black and a gold, and I'm just going to put those right at the top of the vinyl. I don't know why this gave me such a hard time, but I had to do this like 3 times. I did finally get it though. It just wasn't looking straight for some reason. I think I cut these stripes out at the black one at 0.15 and the gold one, I think it was maybe 0.08 or 0.09. I can't remember. Okay, right here is a good spot to put a coat of epoxy on. I did not. I just went in with my decal. But if you're afraid something's going to go wrong, you're going to mess up, do a coat of epoxy first. So, I'm going to get my decal on here. I'm going to take 5 years to see if it's straight. And then it's still going to be like a centimeter off. But whatever. If you didn't read the decal already, it says, "Hunting solves most of my problems, fishing solves the rest." I don't remember where I got it from. I think I got it off of Etsy. I've had it for a while because my nephew wanted this on a can koozie. Be sure to go over your vinyl and push it down like I'm doing here, just to make sure there aren't any of those little pieces sticking up. After that, do all of your epoxy. I probably did 3 pretty good coats. And here it is all done. Turned out really good. If you guys like this video, please make sure to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!